I'm coming to you at my not regular Monday 11:11 meditation time because honestly I wasn't going to do one today, but I found myself in the middle of my book launch frenzy and really needing to take a step back and have a midday meditation, which I promote as a really effective way to have a meditation practice that works for you. To visit your time in meditation, not necessarily as a perfectly quiet time to sit on a pillow, be perfectly still, and all of that, but just to step away, take some deep breaths, recenter yourself, and prepare yourself for the next moment. So I was going to come upstairs and meditate to kind of step out of the chaos of my day, of my very busy week. And I thought, why not let you join me? So that's why I'm in my pajamas. And this isn't prepared. And I'm just calling it a meditation for anxiety. By the way, my book is coming out tomorrow. If you're watching this on August 12th, this is the last day to pre-order to get the free audiobook. So have at it. Links in the bio. Here we go. I'd like to remind you now that sometimes just taking that nice big inhale and exhale can center you, ground you, really put you back in the moment. This is my personal meditation, so I'm going to describe what I'm feeling, what I'm doing, and just lead you through what it looks like for me. Usually this would be in my head, silent, but I'm going to share the words with you as they come. Totally ad lib. Only close your eyes if it feels safe. Keep them open and gently focused if that's what feels good. With each inhale, remind yourself that it is possible in every moment to call in life force, which is help from the universe, support from spirit guides, energy from good people around you. Inhale all that's good. Exhale, center in the moment. I am here now. I am here now. I am here now. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. Whatever words feel good to you, speak them silently in your head or out loud with a whisper, or even louder if you're all alone and that feels right. I am here. I am safe. I choose calm. What we speak repeatedly, what we speak repeatedly out loud, what we declare will become true if it is repeated, declared, practiced, believed. What we believe we will see. I am here. I am safe. I choose calm. I choose peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic. Inhale with me, drawing in all the good stuff, and exhale, centering in the moment. If it feels comfortable, if it feels good, you can place your hands over your heart space, maybe one hand on your heart, one over your belly. Maybe draw your hands around you in an embrace to help you feel safe and secure, especially if you're feeling anxious, especially if you feel panic taking over. Squeeze yourself and release. I am here. I am safe. I choose calm. I choose peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic. I found myself in a whirlwind of frenzy. Good frenzy, good stuff, good stuff. I'm very blessed. A lot of good stuff going on, but overwhelming just the same. So in this moment, I'm also choosing to accept the chaos, to accept the frenzy as something that is temporary, as something that will pass, as just the nature of what's happening right now, the nature of the thing. I am here. I am here. I am safe. I am calm. I choose calm. I choose peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic even in the midst of this chaos. I accept the chaos. I accept this situation, this space and time for what it is, for it will pass. Feel that. Feel the knowing that this will pass. This moment is temporary. And this moment is temporary. And this moment is temporary. Moment by moment, breath by breath, I am here. I am safe. I choose calm. I choose peace. I choose peace over panic. I am choosing peace over panic. All is well. I accept this moment. It will pass. Moment by moment, breath by breath, moment by moment, I get to choose. I get to choose. Return your attention to your breath, your easy inhales and exhales, feeling calmer, feeling more centered, being here with me in this moment in collaboration to bringing peace and calm and clarity and goodness into this moment. Appreciating your breath as life force, as a healing energy that moves everything through you. Whatever's stuck is allowed to move right through you on your breath. Inhale with me now. Exhale and center. Inhale, be in this moment in goodness. Exhale, release. One more time, inhale. Exhale, be in this moment. Place your gaze downward. Flutter your eyes open. And welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, it is what it is. For me, this is a week of chaos. It's a week of exerting a lot of energy, of doing a lot of talking, of meeting a lot of deadlines, of making a Tetris of my schedule. And it's okay because it will pass. And I accept it for what it is, as the nature of what this time is. And I know that I can return to at least a little bit of peace and calm just by bringing my attention back to my breath and just visiting myself for a minute to tell myself the truth that I am safe. I am here. I can choose calm in the chaos. I can choose peace over panic. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Links for the book are in the video description. And I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow because I'll be talking about my book. And if you're watching this in replay, still go buy the book. You get lots of bonuses. Love you.